How do you keep track of your money? Small business owners need to know how much money is coming in and how much is going out. Tracking the money you earn and spend is easy with the right software. Here's where you start. All businesses need their books balanced, and QuickBooks is the go-to, do-it-yourself way to get your finances in order. Getting detailed insight about the money you spend, owe, and bring in is a critical part of being financially successful. You can learn all you need to know about QuickBooks starting today, and you'll do it all online, in lessons led by an expert instructor who will provide one-on-one interaction by answering questions and receiving feedback on your performance. This course can teach you to maximize your time while minimizing your anxieties about managing finances for your business or personal life. Whether you have a full-time job, you're at home with kids, or you're looking to get back to work. Classes begin monthly, so don't wait to start learning QuickBooks today.